Hello everyone, it's finally that time to consider selling your home. But how to maximize the value you receive from your current home? And how to get it sold quickly? Well, here are tips for sellers. Pay attention. The kids are getting older, and maybe it's time to downsize. Call up your favorite realtor. Let's get to work. Come along with us as we give you some of our top suggestions to increase the value of your home before we even do any showings. Getting your home ready. Number one thing to do, of course, to make sure to clean up the property. A clean house adds tremendous amount of value. It's easy on the eyes and the buyers will absolutely love it. Second thing we highly recommend to you, the seller, is to actually get your own home inspection done prior to listing. That way you know the issue that will come up with your home, and it's easy to get them fixed before the buyers come in and negotiate. Number three, we highly recommend getting some paint and touch up on those damaged areas on the walls. Number four, make sure all your valuable cash, silver, gold, diamonds, piggy bank, whatever it is that you consider valuable, store them somewhere safe. Number five, we highly recommend hiring a staging company to furnish your property or help you with interior design to make the property absolutely gorgeous. Number six, make sure to have professional pictures and videos taken of your property. Professional photos and videos are a way to go to make your property more valuable. Please do not try to use a selfie stick or your own camera to do so. Now finally, we talk about how to price your property. If you price your property below assessed value, you will increase the amount of buyers to view your home and go for competing offers. But if you price it above the assessed value, your chance of having competing offers went down tremendously. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you the best of luck selling your home.